Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play split screen on Titanfall 2 for Xbox. Unfortunately, Titanfall 2 does not support local split screen multiplayer on any platform, including Xbox. This means you cannot play with a friend on the same console using a split screen. The game was designed primarily for its engaging single-player story and robust online multiplayer experiences. While it doesn't offer couch co-op, there are still fantastic ways to enjoy the game with others online. While local split screen isn't an option, Titanfall 2 does offer a fantastic online cooperative experience called Frontier Defense. In this mode, up to 4 players can join forces online to defend a harvester against increasingly challenging waves of artificial intelligence enemies. It's a strategic and action-packed mode where teamwork is key to success, offering a different kind of shared gaming experience. To dive into the online action, simply navigate to the main menu of Titanfall 2 and select the multiplayer option. From there, you can choose to play Frontier Defense with up to 3 other friends or jump into various competitive player versus player modes. Remember to invite your friends from your Xbox friends list to your party before queuing up for a match, ensuring you play together. If local split screen is a must-have, you might consider exploring other excellent Xbox games that do offer this feature. For Titanfall 2's online co-op, remember that each player will need their own console and a copy of the game. Alternatively, immerse yourself in the game's highly praised single-player campaign, which provides many hours of thrilling solo gameplay and a compelling story.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.